emotions house in expectations only possible, not true life our co-living persons. No life to this artificial world. If we try to go more good, some family and society says welcome to myth or myth. Is it possible or impossible? You cannot say. Their ways and actions, directions. No soft nature. We live among some persons, but external walls more smart. వీళ్ళని తేనె పూసిన కత్తెలు అంటారు, కత్తి అంటారు ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు. ఇఫ్ వీ వాంట్ టు get receives emotions from others families, we must separate our lives from loud people's. My analysis here is family friends. Some family friends, some other families can mother father relations cut. They can separate according to their wishes and mindset. To say this, I like this to say. Yes. Next. Oh, mother, daughter, father, son, daughter, husband, wife separation. Any separations is possible other families. They can protect their families, they can divide and separate others' families. Is some nature of artificial world. If we do impose restrictions of mind, more conditions, others suffers more from our more thoughts and actions on the name of love. Others loss